Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're actually doing a renovation. We just started renovating some property. So we're doing a full renovation including plumbing, electric, full rip out. Just going to show you the property. So this is the house. It's a 3-bedroom house, just been bought by one of my clients. This is my helper. They're just clearing out. We took the old plaster out to bare brick. Just doing a complete new rewiring all around the house, adding 2 more extra sockets, running new cooker cable, putting spotlights on the ceiling. This is the living room. We were going to take the chimney out, but then the client decided he wants to keep the chimney stuck, so we're just leaving it. This is where the double door used to be, where he just took it out, so he just wants it all open now. This is the little room, which is going to be a dining. So this is the ceiling. We've just put 4 new cutout for recessed lights, spotlights. We also want to keep the middle existing light as well as the spotlight, so we're going to have 2 switches. So same here, we're going to have 1 old switch, also another switch for the spotlights next to that. Same again on this living room. We're going to be putting 6 recessed light spotlights. We'll do some cutouts. Again, we'll have the center light as well as the spotlight on a separate switch. This is where the electric and gas cupboard is. It's a very old fuse box. We'll be replacing that. This is where the new cables are going. This is where the old cable used to come in. So I'm going to cut all this out, put the new cables in. Also in here in the kitchen, we're doing a new complete rewiring. Doing a separate ring for the kitchen itself, so it's not included with the downstairs. So they're going to rip all this out and put a new ring in. This is the little storage behind the kitchen. We'll be doing it. We're going to be blocking this door, break it all up, and put a little cloakroom toilet here. There's a soil pipe already there. Also here, I'm going to put a little basin. We're going to put a radiator on this side somewhere, depending which way I can bring the pipe out. The problem that here is the floor is concrete floor, so we can't run any cable or any pipe to the floor. Just don't want to. Just gonna go up the wall into the room. Lift the floorboards. This is the stairs coming up. Just have to lift all the floorboards to run the cables. These are all cables that's been cut out. This is one of the bedroom. Again, running a cable. There used to be a little storage space. It was bricked up, so we're just taking this out. Bit more room in the bedroom. So this is the toilet. They have a toilet and the shower room separate, but the funny thing is there's no basin inside the toilet, so we'll be putting a little basin here somewhere. Also, this is the shower. I mean, we're not actually touching any of that. We're not touching the toilet, so I think it's quite good condition. It's only about a year old. So this is another bedroom. There used to be a fitted wardrobe here. This is the boiler. So this is where the fitted wardrobe used to be, like this. Took it out. We're actually putting the stairs here, so we're going to build a stud wall stairs there for the loft, because we're doing a loft conversion as well. There's not much head height, but it's a big space up there. This is the boiler, so the boiler will be moved into the kitchen. So in the ceiling, we're just gonna do one rose light in every bedroom. We're not actually putting any recessed lights. This is the loft access. We'll be closing that up. This is another bedroom here. So this is where the cable comes in. I mean, right underneath this room, that's where the consumer unit is, the electric supply. So all the cables are running this way into here, and it goes all the way. So I'll be doing a rewiring. I'll be doing a bit of rewiring today while they'll be filling the skip. The skip came this morning. We're going to do a full clear out, and I'll be running a few cables. But I'll be concentrating downstairs first. Downstairs ring main. So on this ceiling here, again I'll do 3 spotlights here. So I'm just going to concentrate today on this kitchen ring. So come down, go across here, 3 sockets, 1 socket here for the fridge freezer. This is where the worktop is going to go, and then that cable, the ring will go up, and then come down here to feed the extractor for the cooker, and also there's going to be a washing machine in here, so I'm going to have a feed for the washing machine. But I won't bring it in this way. Instead, I'll go to the other room. It's a single brick wall, so I'll be running the cable onto this wall and drill into the kitchen. So this is the 6mm cable for the cooker. I'll be doing the same with the ring. The ring here on this side of the downstairs goes up onto the floorboard. It's going to come down here, feed this one, and then it's going to go here. From here it's going to go up, down onto this one, and then from here it's going to drill straight through the wall onto here, and then go up into this box here. We had to cut a door out here, decline onto the door. So it used to be a door in the past, but they've plastered over it. But luckily, we didn't have to break any bricks or nothing. I mean, we just took the plasterboard out and found it. So the plaster board's gonna go soon. Once the wiring's done, I mean, see, this is what I've been using just to protect against drill. Yeah, so thank you guys. I mean, I will be updating soon. I'm just going to carry out somewhere, and as I'm doing it, I'll do update videos. Thank you.